Hello, welcome to Pirate Story Time, and this is Polly Parrot Picks a Pirate. I wonder who Polly is going to pick. Polly the parrot was sick of her tree. Some old branches and leaves, same old nothing to see. Some cheeky chimps with their cheeky tricks. I'm fed up with living here on the sticks. She squawked, "It's a life on the ocean for me. I'll find a pet pirate and sail off to sea. I'll find one who's clever and dashing and brave, who's handsome and clean and won't misbehave." So off fluttered Polly that very same day to the inn by the harbour in Buccaneer Bay. There sat the pirates with all of their crews. Now, wondered Polly, which one shall I choose? Bartholomew Blood appeared smart at first sight, but sadly for Polly he wasn't too bright. "I can't find my treasure," he said with a frown. "You noodle squawk, Polly, your map's upside down." "Oh dear," Polly sighed, "but I won't give up yet. I'm sure I'll find a much cleverer pet." Phineas Mudd seemed a fine, fearless sort, but he was the clumsiest pirate in the port. He swung from the rigging with daring and dash. Then he slipped on a barrel and crash, kersplash. "Oh dear," Polly sighed, "but I won't give up yet. I'm sure I can find a less bumbling pet." Crazy Kit Cutlass looked fearsome and brave, till he ran with a screech from the smuggler's cave. As Crazy Kit trembled in terror beside her, Polly peeked in and discovered a spider. "Oh dear," Polly said, "I won't give up yet. I'm sure I can find a less cowardly pet." She searched the whole harbour. She flew all around, but the perfect pet pirate just couldn't be found. Gentleman Ned was too fond of his clothes. Two-Tooth Trelawney kept picking his nose. Mad Dog Dominigo wore stockings that stank, and Jack Salamander kept walking the plank. Sighed Polly, "I can't find the right pirate for me, so it looks like I'll have to go back to my tree." She was just heading home when she heard a man nearby. "There's a big pirate battle in Buccaneer Bay. Redbeard is fighting with old Pegleg Pete. They're the very best pirates of all on the fleet." At last, Polly thought, as she turned for the sea, "They sound like the perfect pet pirates for me." Smash went the pirates. Wallop and crunch. They fought all day long with a short break for lunch. "Surrender," cried Pegleg, but Redbeard roared, "Never! Surrender yourself. I'm the best pirate ever." Redbeard and Pegleg were in a right strop. They battled and bashed until Polly squawked, "Stop! The way this is going, there won't be a winner, except for the sharks, who'll have pirates for dinner. Why don't you stop fighting and simply agree? You are both the best pirates who sail on the sea." Then Polly looked closely and saw a strange thing. That massive Redbeard was tied on with string. She tugged at the beard and it fell in the sea. "Great galleons!" gasped Pegleg. "Old Redbeards, eh?" "She!" "Do you know," chuckled Redbeard, "this parrot is right. There's really no need to continue our fight." "Why don't we join forces?" said Pegleg. "With pleasure. Double the pirates means double the treasure." Pegleg and Redbeard were married that night. They danced round the mast and forgot their old fight. "Hooray!" Polly cried. "What a fabulous do!" I wanted one pirate, and now I've got two. They're clever and dashing and fearless and brave, but I might have to check that they don't misbehave. So off with her new pets, Polly sailed off to sea, and she thought, it's a life from the ocean for me. As she turned to her tree for one last farewell, she sighed, now I'm finally free of those chimps. Wow, maybe. What do you think? What pet pirate would you have if you could have the choice? I hope you enjoyed this story. See you soon. Goodbye.